Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Nexo basically explicitly is exchanging at 68 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.81% in essentially most recent 60-minute. Nexo explicitly has a truly all-out market cap of $381,023,606 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,008,130, which basically truly is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Nexo for the most part beautiful positioning at 92 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo generally be genuinely worth in 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Is Nexo a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they certainly explicitly thought. Will Nexo cost outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they essentially thought, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. These truly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, or so they in a real sense thought, which basically is very critical. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost most certainly sort of is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of 89 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to be 85 cents in an unpretentious manner incredibly. Besides, Nexo can fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of 99 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Nexo cost is gauged to for the most part arrive at a least cost of 65 cents, or so they by and large for the most part thought. The Nexo cost could explicitly basically arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of 74 cents with the by and large normal expected cost around 72 cents, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value conjecture June 2023. The Nexo gauge for June 2023 expects that the Nexo may especially by and large arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of 77 cents with a truly least cost of around 71 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the typical value, Nexo can stretch around 73 cents for June, or so they for the most part thought, which is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is basically anticipated to generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 76 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 81 cents and a sort of least of 72 cents, showing the way that discussing the typical value, Nexo can sort of stretch around 73 cents for June. Nexo value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is determined to sort of be at around an in every practical sense least worth of 76 cents, which for the most part certainly is genuinely huge. The Nexo value worth can truly arrive at a fundamentally limit of 84 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 79 cents in USD, which most certainly is very huge. Nexo value expectation September 2023. The cost of Nexo certainly is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach at an in every practical sense least worth of 79 cents in September 2023, or so they truly thought, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could especially generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 87 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 82 cents all through 2023, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value estimate October 2023. The normal cost of Nexo could in a real sense go to 84 cents toward the finish of October 2023, which basically shows that Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross a very genuinely normal value level of 89 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to basically be 85 cents, which most certainly is very critical. Nexo could truly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of 91 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 81 cents, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation November 2023. The cost for Nexo in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 83 cents and 94 cents in a truly significant manner, while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 87 cents, or so they really thought. Nexo value expectation December 2023. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense basically is truly anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at a decently truly least worth of 85 cents in December 2023, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could sort of in every practical sense arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 99 cents with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of 89 cents all through 2023, exhibiting how starting around the 23rd of May 2023 Nexo in a real sense by and large is exchanging at 68 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.81% in most recent 1 hour in a huge way. Nexo fundamentally passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been essentially diminished by 0.29% in its sort of really current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we really think about the very truly current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap is likewise down, which generally is very critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Nexo explicitly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.29%, which essentially shows that while the actually genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 87 cents, which generally is genuinely huge, Nexo truly has shown exceptionally short areas of strength for a pretty potential recently, and this could be for the most part great chance to truly dive right in and contribute. Or so they thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo essentially diminished by 5.421%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of 3 cents from its extremely current worth, which especially is very huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an essentially excellent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 19.18%, and the cost really flowed from a truly least fundamentally normal cost of 79 cents to essentially most extreme certainly normal cost of 86 cents, the by and large beyond 90 days in a fundamentally huge manner amazingly. Nexo is somewhere near 8.05% with the very most extreme typical cost of the coin certainly was around 67 cents and the genuinely least in every practical sense. Normal cost of by and large was around 65 cents in sort of beyond 4 months. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense most certainly be Nexo by and large worth in 2023, or so they certainly all things considered, thought. The Nexo cost generally is gauged to actually in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 99 cents within every practical sense, sort of least cost of 85 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Nexo really have a future? As far as value, Nexo has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels, which certainly is genuinely critical. It especially is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way, which is genuinely critical, as indicated by unmistakable specialists and business experts. Nexo can stir things up around town. The barely the most exorbitant cost of $27.26 till 2030, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Nexo worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, which generally is genuinely critical? Nexo's worth quite is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as lack will in general explicitly energize cost ascend in an essentially enormous manner. Kindly note, there especially is a gamble to any venture, further appearance how the Nexo cost could